Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bolaji. I'm a product designer, and in this particular video I just want to show us how we can stay organized, how we can stay more productive as creatives, and as long as you use your PC for work, anything you use your PC for, this particular video will help. And at the end of it, when you're done watching, you can share with anybody you know that, oh, this one might help as well. So in this video, I just want to show us how we can use our Chrome browser, how we can group things together, how we can group the kind of how do I call it, kind of tabs that we know that they're kind of common, they're kind of similar, they are kind of linked to the same source. We can group them together. I've seen this around a lot, and I was like, oh, how do I do this? I don't even go to YouTube to watch any video on it. I just decided to, like, okay, let me just check how I can achieve this morning. So, and I got it right. So let me just show us on how we can get that done. So yeah, so let me open a new profile. So yeah, I have, let me just use this one. Yeah, in this particular one, I have all these here, this Discord, Pinterest and all. So let's say I want to try to group resource base. I'm a product designer. I want to try to group like colors, font share, or Google, or font, Google fonts. I want to share, I want to group them together, they're kind of related. I want to group free pick with it, or yes, kind of resource base. So let me just open free pick here. Free pick. Let me open free pick here. Let me open font share. Let me open Google Fonts. Let me open colors. So these are kind of related source. You see, when we want to work, we look like, oh, what font do I want to use in this my work? What kind of colors, like color palette, do I want to use? So when we have this kind of thing, there's a way we can group them together. So let's enter each and every one of them, one after the other. Font share, Google Fonts, colors. So now, yes, so let's try to open another one, like kind of inspirational website. Let's try to open Cosmos, right? Let's open Dribble. Let's open Ninja. Okay, that 3 is enough for now. So now this kind of like okay, now let's say you want to, let's make it three tabs that I want to organize. So let's say you want to add what we use to develop websites, no code tool like Framer. Let's add Framer. Let's add Webflow. Let's add Webflow. So yeah, so for instance, now this is how it is done. So if I just right click on free pick now I'm on font share. Let's move to free pick. So if I right click on it, it will, I have a tab like this that will open up. Add tab to new group. I will just click on this and I will name my group. I want to name it resources. So I want to give it a color. Let me give it kind of yellow color. Yeah, with that work? Yeah, let's go with that for now. So just press enter. So now if you notice, now we have this thing open down here, resources. So, and we can see that this yellow line. So if I want to add font share to it, I will just right click on font share as well, and I will add to resources. So you can see now, same thing as what's it called, Google Fonts, resources. So now I will not add colors now. So let's move to Cosmos. Yeah, so if I want to group this one as well, add it to a new tab. So I will just right click as well. I will create a new group for it, and I will call that one inspiration to say. So, and I will give that one kind of green color. Is it green? Let's give it a green color. So, and I'll press enter. So we just come to Dribble and right click on Dribble, and I will add to inspo. You see, Ninja do the same thing, add to inspo. So now let's go back to close and add it to what's it called, to resources group. Yeah, so we have it that way. So you can actually collapse it. Let me collapse this for now, collapse it for now. You see it's getting better now, very organized. So for the Freeman workflow, I will just right click on Freeman. I will create a new group for that, and I will call it let me call it build. No, let me just say no code. So yeah, so I didn't give it a color, you see now. So I can just right click on it again and just give it this one, this purple something. So what do we have under that? We only have Freeman. So let me add workflow there, no code. So yeah, you can see now we are more organized than before. So everything that we had, everything just opened down. Look at it now. We have this, we have this, we have this. There's a lot going on here. So this is one of the ways you can stay organized with your work. So yeah, and I've done this in my normal account. So let me just show us that one. Let's go back to my profile. So here I have resources, I have everything here. So when you click on the first one, to open up like that. So you can just come back to your new tab and click on build. You open it up, new tab, click on design tools you use. I'm a designer, so yeah. So socials like X, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram. So basically, so these are have it here. And there's one thing I want to show us again. You can actually pin tabs. I'm very sure most of us knows this already. So we can pin tabs. I actually pinned my portfolio here. So let me just go to a particular website. Let me go to, what website can I go to? Let me go to Spotify. I think I like Spotify. So if I want to pin Spotify now, I can actually pin it so that to show like beside my portfolio, it look like this. So just click here and right click on it and pin. When you pin it will move. So it will move to the back there. You can see how everything is organized already. So yeah, that's how it is. So if I close this tab now, if I close like everything here, I close everything, I can go back there and just click on me, Bolaji Akongbe, and if I want to open any one of them, you see now this comes first. The pinned website that we have, they came up first. Then we can, if you want to unpin it, just right click on it, you can unpin it and it will leave there. You can close it, you don't want it anymore. So if you want to open up Inspo, open it up like that, open up another one, open up build. So you want to collapse it, just click on the parent group and collapse it like that. Let's say you just want to work on build and Inspo for today. That's how it is. And I hope this helps a lot. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share with friends, with colleagues and all. Thank you so much.